Welcome back to Nona's Kitchen. I'm going to make a chicken devil today. That's the most popular dish in Sri Lanka. So I have 1 kg chicken. It's already seasoned with salt and turmeric powder. So I have 2 medium onions, curry leaves, 1 tomato, and 1 green banana peppers. So I have some garlic and the ginger paste is already chopped. 2 tablespoon crushed chilies. I have 1 tomato ketchup, 2 tablespoon, 1 tablespoon sweet chili sauce, and 1 tablespoon of the soya sauce, and 1 tablespoon of the oyster sauce. So first I put some oil in a pan. Is already heat. So I'm going to deep fry the chicken. So I'm going to put the chicken to the pan. See, you can hear the sound. That means the oil already heated. Chicken has cooked here now, so I'm going to remove it to my clay pot. Now I'm going to show you how to make the devil. This is already deep fried chicken. So I'm going to use the same pan and with the tiny oil to get a nice chicken flavor. First, I'm going to put my onion, tomatoes, all onions, tomatoes, and the banana peppers and the curry leaves. Just tiny bit fry it, not too much fry. Just tiny fry. Then I'm going to put my chopped garlic and ginger. So it's nice golden color. Then I'm going to put my crushed chilies. It's nice smell now. Everything is going to bind in. So I'm going to put some salt as well. Just tiny salt because I already put the salt to the chicken. So we don't want too much salt. Now I'm going to add my fried chicken to the pan. Look at the color, it's nice. Now I'm going to put my soya sauce. While I'm mixing it, I'm adding the sauce as well. After the soya sauce, I'm going to put my oyster sauce. It's done. So finally, I'm going to put my sweet chili sauce. Everything is combining. Nice mixing. You need to mix it properly. Okay, after I'm going to off my cooker, then I'm putting my tomato ketchup. Okay, this is my Sri Lankan style chicken devil. It's already cooked everything now. Now is time to eat. Okay, this is my Sri Lankan chicken devil.